Welcome to the Minimalist Kitchen.
A clutter-free kitchen transforms cooking and cleaning into a calming routine. Discover how minimalist principles can help you keep your space organized, efficient, and welcoming without sacrificing style or function. Let's explore practical hacks for a tidy and streamlined kitchen.
Start with a declutter.
Begin your minimalist journey by removing items you seldom use. Open every drawer and cabinet, setting aside duplicate utensils, expired foods, and gadgets you rarely need. Donate or recycle what you can. Keeping only what's essential makes your kitchen immediately easier to manage.
Optimize storage spaces.
Think vertically and use every inch wisely. Install open shelving for items you use daily and use drawer organizers to keep utensils in check. Stackable containers and labeled baskets make it effortless to find what you need. Efficient storage means less searching and more cooking.
Simplify your tools and gadgets.
Choose multi-purpose tools over single-use gadgets. For example, a sturdy chef's knife can handle most tasks, reducing the need for specialized items. Keep only what you truly use and store less used appliances out of sight to preserve clear countertops.
Maintain a tidy system.
Develop easy routines to keep your kitchen clutter-free. Clean as you cook, wipe down surfaces daily, and put everything back in its place after use. Schedule regular check-ins to reassess what you have, ensuring your organized space lasts.
Enjoy your minimalist kitchen.
A minimalist kitchen is about simplicity, function, and joy. With intentional organization and fewer distractions, meal prep becomes smoother, and your kitchen becomes a more pleasant place for everyone. Embrace these essential hacks to create a space you love to use every day.